Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make tomato thokku. Thokku is a kind of pickle that is chopped and cooked nicely. It is very easy, and if you follow this method, it won't expire for a month. So let's see how to make it. So first I'm going to take a lemon-sized tamarind. Make sure you remove the seeds. So then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of water. Let it soak and get loosened nicely. So now we will keep this aside. Then I've took about 1 kg of fresh ripened tomato. Make sure you take the ripe tomatoes as they would enhance the flavor. Then I have roughly chopped them and added them in a mixer. Next we're going to add our soaked tamarind, which we had prepared in the beginning. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sea salt. You can add accordingly. Grind this nicely into a puree without any lumps. Next, in a pan I'm going to add about 100 milliliters of sesame oil. Sesame oil will again enhance the flavor. So once the oil is hot, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 3 Dantika chilies. Now let's saute them for a few seconds. Then I'm going to add a bunch of curry leaves. Before adding them, I have washed them and dried them completely. Saute the curry leaves until they've become darker in shade. Once that is done, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. I have roasted the fenugreek and then grinded them nicely. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can switch off the stove now, otherwise the chili powder will become brown. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now mix them nicely. Now add the tomato puree we had prepared at the beginning. We need to mix it and let it to boil nicely until it has become thick. Make sure you keep the flame in medium. Friends, my puree has just started to boil. You can see the oils surrounding the puree. So now when it starts to boil nicely like this, I'm going to close it with a lid. Now you should reduce the flame to low. You could also use a cooker as it is higher and it will not allow the puree from splashing all over your kitchen. Now this may take about 15 to 20 minutes for it to reduce nicely. You need to check on it after every 5 minutes and just give it a stir. After 10 minutes or when it has become thick like this, you could remove the lid. Now this is the perfect consistency. It should be thick like this. To check, you could stop mixing, and when it starts to boil nicely, you could see small bits of oil surrounding it. That means that your thokku or pickle is ready. Friends, you should definitely try this. It has that little bit of sourness and that spiciness to balance it, and it's amazing altogether. Now this thokku, you can eat it with chapati, dosa, and especially it's amazing with curd rice. Friends, look at it with the curd rice. Isn't it amazing? Friends, none of the South Indian dish is complete without a touch of pickle. So saying that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.